Hey guys, Kathy, Fat Girl Frolics here. Unboxing an item that I bought off of Etsy. The store is called Portland Mary, and it's just like the city Portland and then the name Mary, M-A-R-Y. She makes handmade stuff, so if you order from her, don't expect to get it shipped out the next day. It does take a week or two, and it's well worth the wait, in my opinion, because it's definitely handmade. And first off, opening the box, oh, it smells amazing. I don't know what she put in it that makes it smell so good, but you get a tea light candle, and this is what my figurine that I ordered will go in. Here is, she sent a lovely business postcard, which is really cool. Portland Mary, that's some of the things that she makes. We'll set that there. Nicely packed. It smells so good. Can you smell that from there?
It's wonderful.
Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like roses, or I feel just, it smells lovely. So you see that it's nicely packed. Again, packed even more. This is very, oh wow. There's a sheet of dried flowers, so it's packed in this box with stuffing, then paper, and then in another box, so it is very well packed. And I believe the reason this smells so good is because this is how it came, with flowers and everything. And then my item is wrapped in ribbon inside the box. Look how lovely that is. Wow, that really makes me smile, because it's just a bunch of dried flowers and herbs and lavender and rose and pine needles. It's beautiful. So here, wow. Oh, it's a piece of velour. This is so beautiful. So this is what we have. It's the Sara Kali, and we have the eye and a garnet and the Hamza. So, you know, they're about the size of my palm. And then what you do, it's flat on the back and there. I mean, you could set it up like that, but they're made. You take the tea light that it comes with, and you burn it enough to set this down in it, and this then becomes the stand. I will show you the finished product when I'm done, but I just wanted to show you this and share this with you. This is handmade, and the detail on it is just amazing. I can't. Oh, she's beautiful. So, Portland Mary on Etsy. Very affordable and very much worth the wait. So, check her out. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Remember, you're all safe where I'm at.